welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be doing what I got for my birthday. It's gonna be like a little mini haul like I did last year. Mini haul for what I got for my birthday because I just want to show y'all like what I got for my birthday this year. Because I really appreciate it for my family and my siblings with what they give to me for my birthday. Like I really wasn't looking forward at all this year. Because they always ask me like what I want for my birthday, and I'm like, I don't know, or I don't want anything for my birthday. But they actually got me something was I would not expect at all. But it's not a lot. Like I say, it's not a lot, and it don't have to be a lot because every little thing they give to me is I am very, very grateful for it. And I should get started on the haul. Okay, so I want to show y'all my little brother, my younger brother. He gave me 2 boxes of honey buns. He said here is like an early birthday gift. He got me 2 honey buns. I love this honey bun so much. It's one of my favorites cakes, I would say. Like he gave me 2. Of course I'm gonna share with them. Maybe one box I would share and the other box is all mine. I don't know. But I love these honey buns. And I really love this. This be bustin'. I really love honey buns. It tastes so good. So yeah. So he got me a honey bun. And I will show y'all my sister Fernanda. She made me a birthday card. As you can see, happy birthday. And but I'm gonna show y'all this. Look at what she did. These watches, it's Chim. Oh, I think this is so cute. Like I really like it. She's very talented, I would say. Yeah, she got me a birthday card, which we always do a birthday card on all birthdays, but I had not done that. But I need to get something. Like I just missed 2 birthdays. I hadn't made no birthday. And I'm gonna show y'all my older sister. She got me. I mean, I suggest her like in birthday gifts. I'm like, if you want, like you can like. I was just joking around too. I was joking around if you give me a AirPod case with BTS. And she like, nah. Well, like she actually got me an AirPod case of BTS. And this is Love Yourself when you did Love Yourself album, and there's a design of it. And she actually got me that, and I was like, wow, thank you. I was very unexpected about that. And she actually got me that. It matched with my phone case now, but I'm gonna change my phone case. I'm gonna get my new phone case hopefully soon, but it's matched now, as you can see, black on black. And I'm gonna show y'all what my twin brother gave me for my birthday. I'm just gonna show y'all the box. You can see the brand called Red Thunder. I don't know if they made anything else. I really don't know. But he got me a keyboard. I have always wanted a keyboard for my Surface. Look, it's white too. It's white. It's very good quality too. Like it's connected to my Surface right now. Anyway, but yeah, he got me a keyboard, which I really appreciate it. I was not expect this at all. I was not looking for this at all. I really do appreciate it. Oh yeah, and he lots of like I'm gonna show you my favorite one. This is my favorite one. I had this on. I use it already because I was editing the video. I was editing my blog. And this is how it looks. Oh, it's so pretty at night too. He got me a keyboard. It's so cute. I really love it a lot. It's very satisfying to hit the class out. I bet you he got this from Amazon. I don't know. It's the brand called Red Thunder. I don't know if they made any device or anything else. If they do, make sure y'all get something from them because this sound right here sound good. My twin brother, he got me this USB thing for the higgler on my Surface. I only got one USB. I don't know what to call it, but you could higgle up with like your device on the thing. Let me show y'all. Well, I went out looking for that all. He got me this right here, as you can see. This is like for my mouse and my keyboard because I only got that one thing on the side of my Surface, the USB. That's the only thing I got. I don't have nothing else to higgle up all my device. So he got me this, and then only got three right here. I don't know. I was very shocked about it. I thought it was kind of confused. What was in the package he gave me? And then he tell me, oh, I do need it. I really do need it, and this is very helpful. So yeah, I thought that was cool and very thought of him, I would say. But yeah. So here's the last thing I got for my birthday. Is from my younger brother. He got me a headphone. My other headphone that y'all have seen me, I wear it all the time. In my videos, I got this Rose Gold headphone, but the white ear of it is broke. Don't ask me how it broke. I don't know how. I really don't know how. So I haven't opened this yet. I'm pretty sure he got this from Amazon. I don't know what the brand called is because I don't know what that say. But it's a wireless headphone, super bass. And I think this is silver. The box is like silver. It looks so nice and clean. But we're gonna unbox it on right here right now. Let's see. I hadn't opened it. I think let me just save it for the video. But we're gonna open it now. We're gonna see. Oh, they got a radio on here too. Wireless. Here's that 9S USB to micro USB cord. Yep. They got everything in here. Like 5-button control, memory card, radio, and EQ business. Okay, got this. We got the coal. Ooh, look at these. It's black. It's black. Got these. As you can see, when I need to check. Ooh. Whoa, wait, no, this is different. Hold up, wait up. Oh, why did it bust it? Oh, no, sound of it? It's so clean. Did y'all see that? You're gonna take that out. You're gonna take that out. Let's just like some. They got noise in here. It came up. Okay. This feels nice. What is this? And this is super bass. They say super bass. Okay. I really like the color of it. It's so nice and unique. So pretty too. And thank you. But yeah, that's pretty much it what I got for my birthday. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the video. Like I said, thank you all so much for the love and support. Make sure that y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what's your favorite color. Comment down below what's your favorite color. That's the question of the day. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Oh yeah, I'm filming this on February, the month of the 2nd, 22nd, 2022. That's how you film on today, which is very crazy. You know, I gotta do some goals. Oh, my ears keep coming off. Anyway, but yeah, let me end this video out with quick. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all had a wonderful, beautiful day. Mwah.